we gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright, cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. The hair is from Outre, Color Bomb series, and the style is Verona. I have it in the color DR Cherry Bomb, and this is their stock card. This is how the unit looks straight from the pack. The cap construction is a normal cap construction with two combs at the front on either side, a comb at the back with the adjustable strap.
I ain't got time, I ain't got patience, but you gon' stop spreading those false news. Tell your little girl to come.
The unit is a right side parting, guys, and this unit is big and friendly.
So last season, you can have my second thing.
I'll go straight into the customization of the unit.
It's real, so stay in check. I got a big ego, such a huge ego. I love my big ego.
As you can see here, this is a hair-to-hair lace. It is pre-plucked. That's what they say, it is pre-plucked, but I'm going in and pluck the hairline a little more. I am parting the hair in a zigzag form in order to pluck the hairline.
Ain't no chick for you like I did, so you better stop playing with me before this turns out ugly. You build a bed, your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill before.
Now I'm using the tweezer to pluck the hairline.
Ain't no chick for you like I did, so you better stop playing with me.
This is for my babies. My beautiful baby. Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful. I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no now. You know how to put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love is.
Now we're going in with Got to Be glue to lay the lace. My blow dryer is on medium heat and making sure the glue is tacky before I lay the lace.
'Cause baby I love is natural. Today I saw you almost want to cry.
Now I'm going in with the Got to Be free spray.
About you like your pretty smile. I love is natural.
I'll use my scissors to cut the lace.
Take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no now. You don't have to put on makeup, 'cause baby I love your natural.
take the got2b glue or gel and spray in the lace that is lifting. I lay the other side of the lace off cam, guys. Now I'm going in to lay these baby hairs. I'm using the wax stick to get rid of the flyaways and for additional sheen, and also, guys, to help flatten the hair a bit. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder to brighten the parting space. Now it's time to style the hair. As I am combing through the hair, it is shedding a lot. Maybe it's because I pluck the hairline. If you're looking for a solid quality colored hair, guys, and straight hair at that, this is a perfect hair for you. My only con with this unit is it does shed, but not that bad, guys, and it does tangle a bit, but we all know this is synthetic hair. This is a gorgeous unit, guys. The color, look at the color, it is amazing. This color looks like I'm coming from the salon. Yes, synthetic wear. It doesn't look synthetic, it doesn't feel synthetic, guys. The link to the unit is in the description down below, guys. If you're interested, you can go and check it out. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, go ahead and leave your girl a thumbs up. Until next time, guys, bye.
Starting on your friends like you and hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind, and you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me, and that's alright, cause she know I'm